So this question is a diagram question. Any question that provides some visual input, I'm going to call a diagram question. We have two intersecting lines here, and it looks like those two intersecting lines creates two angles, angle 1 and angle 2. We should know that these angles are congruent to each other. They're considered to be vertical angles is the specific name of them, but those angles should be equal to each other. So angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. So that's a bit of knowledge that hopefully you know about this already. The question goes on to say, in the figure, two lines intersect at a point. Angle 1 and angle 2 are vertical angles. Okay, so it does mention that. The measure of angle 1 is 72 degrees, so 72 degrees. What is the measure of angle 2? So it doesn't mention that these vertical angles are equal to each other, so that is still something that you would have to know. So if you did not know that, please make sure to add this into your notes. Vertical angles are always congruent to each other. But again, if angle 1 is 72 degrees, angle 2 must also be 72 degrees, and therefore choice A is the correct answer. Another way to think about this, even if you did not know about vertical angles, or if you did not remember about vertical angles, is maybe you remember about supplementary angles, right? So although, so if this is 72 here, then I could say, well, this angle right next to it, which continues this straight line here that I'm tracing in green, we know that the angle measurement for a straight line is 180 degrees, and therefore this angle here must be 108 degrees. And then we can go this way and say, well, if that angle is 108 degrees, and then I have this other straight line that I'm tracing in blue here, then this angle will have 108 degrees plus angle 2 must be 180, and that would also get you to 72. So as much as I reported this as being a knowledge question based upon vertical angles, you may also use supplementary angles as well in order to find your way to the correct answer.